What's up, YouTube? I hope you're well today. All it took was for one person to hype me, and now I'm here vlogging my day or my weekend. Welcome. I'm Blessing, and well, let's see what today looks like. A day or a weekend in the life of an expecting toddler mama.
Kolya, I guess let's supplement this with a voiceover. So we started off with having breakfast. Obviously, she was having cereal with milk. And thereafter, I had to do maintenance for her. She still had her hair in toots, old toots. And we had to do some maintenance, remove those, and then, carry forward.
Toddler is here, come. We're from undoing her hair. She had it in toots. Okay. So we just undid her hair, and now we're going to bathe. Time to bathe. Time to. So I am concluding shopping for the baby, and I got this basin for the baby. But when I got here, I realized it was so big and deep, and Kamanzi had outgrown her basin. It is smaller than this, so this becomes Kamanzi's new basin, and the baby will get to use the old one. Okay, let's prepare a bath for Kamanzi. Your baby wants to bathe. Yes? It's hot. Is it hot? Not really. Okay, first of all, the plan today is Friday, I'm off. The plan today is to just really bathe her, prep her, clean her up, and I have to go and plait my hair at around 3 p.m. Tomorrow I want to take her to the play park. It will be the last time I take her to the play park in a while. And on Sunday I want to take her to my parents' home, so she can be there for a few days. It will be the first time I do that. So yeah, that's the plan for the weekend. Let's see if I can cover all of those things. So help me God, and give me the mojo, and give me the mojo. Give me the mojo. You're drinking cold water. Don't drink latte.
Here we go, trying to make her look prettier with these hair bands that I got from my friend Fidra. Nothing can test your patience like a toddler who is also impatient, but wants the same results as you. Anyway, this carried on for so long, so let's just fast forward it.
Subscribe. All right, that's on that. So Kamanzi is done, her maintenance is done. Looks like it's my turn. It's my turn. It's my turn. She's singing behind the camera. So it's time for me to go and take care of myself. Get ready. Yeah, and go plait my hair. Okay, so up next, before my own maintenance, is my bed. I need to make my bed. This one is so happy. She loves her hair. She can't stop looking at herself. All right, let's make the bed. Do you want to help me make my bed? Meanwhile, my bestie, one of my best friends, gifted Kamanzi this book. She customized it to say Kamanzi's coloring book, hardcover. And so in here we have so many shapes, so many objects and their names. It is quite a lot. And Kamanzi started shading yesterday. She started with that. This is Kamanzi's first official shading. So we're going to sit and do this today. She gave me 2 books actually. This was a gift from her, and then She crafted this book after being inspired by her own toddler. So this is the Alphabet Safari. This one I bought. And inside here it has all these objects and their names. Like your kid can just keep reading and learning and pointing and knowing and all of that. This goes for 50,000 Uganda shillings in case you're interested. Okay. Mama, time to read? Time to read. All right. Let's. You don't want? Okay. There goes that. What happened, Kamanzi? Okay, order has been restored in the bedroom. The bed is made. I'm trying to put together an outfit for Salon. And yeah, it still doesn't look aesthetically pleasing, but the sheets are clean and they're ironed, and that's what matters. Alright, gotta play with the toddler a few seconds and then I'll go and bathe. You ready? Finally ready to go to the salon. This is the OOTD or the salon. Yeah, this is it. She's sulking. She's sulking. Don't be sorry. I love you. I love you. Yes. I'm back home now. I'm back home. Hair done. Sanity restored. Yes, Kamanzi. Hmm? I see. Kamanzi's over there. Yes, Mama. Hmm? Yeah, that's my money. Can I have it back? Okay, ready for the weekend. Ready to go to the playback tomorrow. I need to freshen up and relax. Let me show you Kamanzi. Yeah? Where's my money? Where's my money? I know you have my money. I know you have my money. Banana. Banana. Ball. Ant. Good job. Bad. No, look here. Bad. Good job. Box. Good girl. Good job. Door. Good job. I see.
No, sir.
We're supposed to be sleeping.
No, sir.
This night almost took me out. A toddler that won't sleep, very intense baby movements, and Braxton Hicks contractions. And I thought I wouldn't make it, but I did. Good morning, good morning. It's Saturday morning. Kamanzi just woke up. Yeah, there ends my freedom. So let's prepare breakfast. You're blurring me. Let's prepare breakfast, have the breakfast, and go on with our day. We are going to the park later today with my siblings and their kids to have one final round of enjoyments before I give birth. Yeah, I came to the other bedroom and she followed me there. That's why I'm under a decker bed. All right, let's go see what's for the day. You haven't brushed your teeth. Mwah. I love you.
So I've been working on concluding shopping for the baby. So I got a few shillings, and now I need to allocate where it's going. Give me my pen, Mama. Give me. Thank you. I need to allocate it where it's going and actually organize so I can do final shopping on Monday. I asked recently on my Instagram, like, at what point do working moms take their maternity leave? And some people work until the day they go into labor. Can you imagine? Yes, Munchkin. So let's do that. And then I'll give her a bath. We do lunch and then step out later. The thing on my head, it's giving. Okay. Those are the remaining things, and yeah. So let's allocate the money. Finally going to the park, ready. OOTD. This is Kamanzi's OOTD. This is our OOTD, shorts and the vest. Yeah. Backpack ready. Time to head out. We'll go out to the park today. We'll go to... Oh, come on, sing. We'll go out to the park today. We're going to laugh and play. We will run around, have so much fun. We'll have so much fun. It's okay. Oh. Say cheers. Faye, that was so creepy. Creepy. Hi, Brixie. Hi, from the play park around 8:30, and Mademoiselle is ready to sleep, but she's fighting it. So I just packed her bags, ready to ship her off tomorrow to my parents for a few days. Yeah, she just doesn't know it yet. Yes, Kamanzi. Yes. Yes. Book. She wants me to read with her, so we're gonna do that and then sleep off. Right. Ball. 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 You don't want anymore? All right, that's that. I guess we're going to sleep. Say good night. All right. Breakfast, then we bathe, then we go. See?
our destination. We have arrived at Kaka's home.
Let's go to Kaka. Let's go.
Take it to mommy. Take it to mommy. Yeah.
Tattoo. Take to Kaka. Take to Kaka.
Kaka. Thank you.
Ah. Currently at my parents' home, you can hear the goats bleating. Goats bleat? Bleat. I need to cross-check. The chickens are feeding on free range. The trees, like, it's very hot. If you know it's very hot, I think the entire country. But trees, guys, every chance you get, plant a tree. Because even though it is hot, extremely hot, there's this breeze and the air is so fresh and cold. It's not like Chisasi. If I could avoid Chisasi, but it's nice because my daughter is going to sleep on the bed that I slept on for so many years in this home. It's just like I'm emotional over that. Let me show you around just a little bit. For the people who have bought chicken from me or from my mom, that's the house, the poultry house. That's where the magic happens. This place is beautiful. Let me show you around. Let me just show you around. Not really my parents' home, but just like the surroundings. Okay. So many avocado trees. Like during a good avocado season, they are sorted. Okay. Like I said, with chicken ibubo. With the free range. Wanonga, they are hydrating. They even have a canoe calf there. And then the rest sugarcane, more avocado trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. This one that I'm standing under. Yeah, sugarcane, blah 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 blah. Whatever happens down there. That's another neighbor of theirs as well. And yeah, in the far land, peasants. And this is the poultry house. Yeah, from there all the way to here. You see your new bed? That's your new bed. Safely deposited the toddler at my parents. We are leaving now. Hi, honey. How does freedom feel?
Not sure yet.
I know I'm starting to miss her a lot, but let's go have some space for a few days. We shall come back to collect. Back home, safe and sound. Guys, it's hot. It's also hitting me that I've left my help with Kamanzi, so looks like my husband and I are going to mark this out together by ourselves. So now that we are back home and I have a lot of time, more than I know what to do with, let's edit this vlog so that we post it by tomorrow. Happy Liberation Day if it means anything to you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.